Hi, it's been 7 days since I put the prawn tutorial out there, and I can't believe it, but 2,000 people have signed up to download the templates, and they're watching the YouTube tutorials now to see how to put them together. It's people from all over the world: Russia, South Africa, America, Europe, Germany, France, Brazil, Venezuela. I can't really keep track, but thank you so much for everyone who's got involved. And the creativity has been incredible. People using leather, acetate, sugar fondant, metallics, plastic, beautiful papers, incredible designs. So I just thought I would put a video together to show off everybody's work. I hope you like it.